People
Going live from Taiwan.
Woohoo!
You'll have to check this out, guys. This is our resort and it's a super cool resort. It's called Liufu Theme Village Resort, and our rooms, all the rooms are all over and there are animals everywhere.
I want to give you the view of our rooms. So these are the balconies and here all the animals are. Check this out.
There are rhinoceroses, there are giraffes, there are zebras, there's everything, and they come literally till your balcony. Like you feel like you're interacting with them. It's super cool. Okay.
Are there any animals?
How are we supposed to go close and read what people are saying? So we have to get it close to us.
Okay.
Oh, and we'll have to hold it like this so we can read it clearly. Okay. Love you, Sunaya. Okay. Zainab, hi Munaya. Love you. Hi Zainab. Ria Kaur, enjoy Munaya. Yes, we are enjoying.
Enjoying thoroughly.
Sargam, hey Munaya. Hey Sargam.
Hey Sargam.
Fauzia Ayub, so it's like Hawaii of Asia.
Yeah.
Hi Munaya.
Hi.
Dishan Vesha Mukherjee. Okay, by the time I read your name, your comment was gone. Who's this? Fadil Varsha, hello. Have you been to Taiwan before? No, we haven't. Are you doing Nagin 3, Annie? Oh yes, I had to say, guys, a lot of people are asking me whether I'm doing Nagin 3, and no.
Why don't you come this side?
Okay. And no, I'm not. I don't know why people are getting like all agitated and whatever. I'm not doing Nagin 3, guys. I mean, I haven't even got a call or I haven't been approached. And so just relax. These are all rumors. I don't know who read what, where and is spreading this. But yeah, I'm not doing it. Okay, so Zuhal, I love you, Munaya. Hi, Zuhal.
Hi, Zuhal.
Nadia, hi, Munaya. Love you guys. Hi, Nadia. Marva.
Love you too.
Love you. Bansi Patel. Fauzia Ayub. So happy to see you both enjoying. Thank you. Harshita Bhardwaj, hello. Varsha, are you self-motivator? If yes, how do you motivate yourself? No place your motivator. Am I a self-motivator? Yeah, I'm pretty motivated in life and I'm pretty positive, I think.
I think to motivate yourself is just be positive in life.
Yeah.
That's the best motivation, I think.
Yeah,
we
there's
can have.
someone looking after you, watching over
That's
you. So
right.
we just have to believe that and keep going with the flow. Sanaya, please say my name, Dielza. Dielza, if I got it right, I said your name. Okay.
Let's take them around, I think.
Varsha, what? Take them around?
Yeah.
Should we?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's
Okay,
take you
guys.
around, guys.
Maybe don't fall. Okay. So
Okay.
this is the way to our rooms. Okay. I think we need to walk faster. So that
Okay.
we won't see.
So those are the room, guys. And if you can see the balconies over there.
These are our rooms over here, and there are balconies, and they're really cool rooms actually. This is a perfect place for like a family to come because the rooms are really large. They're made for like 4 and 6 people, and I'm assuming that families come here because there's a theme park, there's a water park, which is like all connected here. So it's like a very family vacation. More than me.
I want to show you something.
Babies, but if we did, it would be perfect for them. Okay, check out the zebra. Check it out.
Can you see zebra?
Can you? Where is it?
Where
I
is it?
can't
Where
see
is
it.
it?
It's eating somewhere. Where is it? I can. Why
Let
can't
us
I
find
see
it.
it? I can see it like this. I don't know if you guys can see it. Okay, I don't know.
1 second. Where is it?
I don't know. It's there somewhere. I'm sure. Yeah, there. Okay, so people can see it, I
Okay.
guess. We just can't see it because there's so much sun over here.
Yeah.
Okay, check out these fatsos here. They
Look
have
at
not
them.
moved in 2 days. All they do is stand up, do us a favor, and then sit down again. That's all they do. They are so fat. Hi, fatsos.
Check this out, guys.
Do you want to say hello? Okay, these are our 2 fatsos. They have not moved. We've been here since yesterday and they have been here since forever like that. Just look at them. They don't do anything. They're so cute though. And they weigh 1,645 kgs. I guess that's the reason why they don't move at all.
The one we saw weigh 1,300 something.
Where are the giraffes? Oh, here. But they're
You want to see
standing-
giraffe?
It's actually so hot. Wait, you'll have to take the stick here.
Oh, there, yeah.
Yeah. Can you see?
See that one?
So it's so hot that they all are like going under the shade. But yesterday, like a giraffe came like to my window, and it was like it has a really long tongue, which I don't. So yeah. Hey, there's another zebra, like right there. Where is it? Where is it? It's standing right here. Why can't I see it? Oh yeah, there. Look. Look at that. Look at the view. Look at the mountains. If y'all can see, this is absolutely stunning, guys. We've had such a fun vacation.
We have just come. We fed tigers also.
Yeah.
Just now, so we have come from there.
Yeah.
It was just an amazing
Deepshika,
experience.
hi. Munaya. Sunny Mohit, please come to Indonesia. Well, I hope we do come to Indonesia. Everyone keeps saying come to Indonesia, but hopefully we should. Dulshani Menon, have fun and safe
Deepshika,
journey.
hi
Thank
Deepshika.
you. You both are looking amazing. Yeah, I think it's just in the sun everyone looks good. Farida, I love you so much. Munaya, thank you. Dina,
Scarlett is there.
Sanaya, and the news of Nagin 3 is true. No, guys, it's not true. I don't know what this news is. It is not true. Thank you. Okay, what else? I can't read. Now I'm blind. Okay. Love you, Munaya. Sanaya, can you say anything about your next project? Okay, guys, I really wish. Actually, the haters will love me for saying this. I really wish people were offering me projects right, left, and center. But guys, that is not happening. Okay, so haters gone, man. But no, not kidding. There are offers, but. Like I said, I will only do something if I really like it or I really believe in it. Unfortunately, every time I believe in something, I guess the audience doesn't or the channel doesn't, so it doesn't work out. But I still believe in it. That doesn't change my belief. So I'm going to do something when I like something, and I really don't know when it is. So let's all pray to God that something good comes my way so I can finally do it.
Okay, any questions, guys?
Thank you so much. You just made me the happiest girl in the world by saying my something. Sorry. Ankita, Sanaya, Mohit, love you so much. Thank you.
Love you, Ankita.
Gigi, Sunny, Mohit, please come to Indonesia, especially Jakarta. I hope so. Somebody should be
I wanna
inviting
see
Mohit and me.
Jakarta,
Okay, Farida, we want to come to Egypt. I have been to Egypt. Hopefully, I'll be able to make another trip soon. Let's see.
I haven't been to Egypt.
Yeah,
I would like
Mohit
to come
hasn't.
someday.
Yeah. Fazila, is this Fuzzy? Forget the haters. Remember all the people who love you. Yes, I do. I don't care about them. I'm just being nice to them. I'm giving them some more feed. Okay, Aditi Srivastav, I don't like IPKK ND3 because you are not doing. Oh, don't say that. I will do some show and then you can like that. And guys, every show has its charm.
I think you should like that show too because Barun is part of it.
Yeah,
so he's a good
every
friend.
actor has their charm. Every show has its charm. And hopefully I'll do something soon so you can like it. So let's see. Sargam Mohit, can you tell something about your next project?
Oh, I haven't got any project till now. So whenever I get an offer, I'll definitely let you know if I like it.
Yeah.
So
Mohit
it's-
and me act like really picky, like we are like Shah Rukh Khan and Aishwarya Rai for some reason.
No. I
We
don't,
shouldn't
but
be.
I just need something which is a little challenging and something which is exciting. So I want to do something nice.
Hopefully we like, so I really feel like I'm getting interested in wanting to do some web series because I feel like the web
Yeah,
content
that'd
is
be cool.
very my kind of content. And I hope that I was supposed to do a web series, but then Nach Baliye happened and then I had to cancel out on that. And I was really excited because I've been wanting to do something on the web. I just feel the content is more my kind.
By the way, thank you so much, guys, for supporting us in Nach Baliye.
Yes, thank you.
Yeah.
After Nach ended, we didn't ever come and say thank you
Say
like
thank
this.
you,
but
yeah. But
Thank you
so
everyone
much for
who
all the love and
supported
support.
and voted. And thank you all the
It means
aunties
a lot, guys,
who meet
seriously.
me on the road and are like, you should have won. So thank you to them. Okay. Jannat, thanks you guys, Munaya, because recently you are posting a lot of Instagram.
That's right.
We are
trying.
posting because, like, okay, so I have to tell you all, we are not very active people, but we like getting active when there's actually something happening in our life.
Yeah, when we
So-
want to tell something
Yeah,
to you guys.
so that's when we get active, and now we're on this beautiful vacation, and we feel like we should be sharing these pictures with everyone and
Yeah.
telling them what a beautiful place it is. So every time something fun or great happens, like during Natch was such a great time for us. We got more active because we had that happening in our life. So whenever something is happening and it's really good, you'll see a lot more posts. But we'll still try to
We'll try to be more
be
active.
in
Yes.
there. Like, I've started liking Insta stories, so maybe that
Yeah.
works. Yeah.
Sana has become the queen of Insta now.
Oh my god, I got scared. Okay, huh. Okay, guys, it's really hot. We have to wrap it up because now we are like sweating in this heat.
But
It's-
thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you.